Welcome to this video. In this video, I will cover the property information section in the ARGUS portfolio model. The assumptions in this section are information-based and optional. They do not impact the calculation in the ARGUS portfolio model, but provide further clarification for someone looking at the model. Let's get into it. The hypothetical general partner's name is AAA Capital, and the limited partner's name is BBT Capital. We can see that the GP name has turned into AAA Capital, and the LP name has turned into BBT Capital in the sources section. The portfolio is located at XYZ Boulevard in ABC City, Texas. The net rentable square feet is 460,000 square feet. The site size is 10 acres, which is 435,600 square feet. All these fields are information-based and are not part of the calculation in the ARGUS portfolio model. I have finished the property information section in the ARGUS portfolio model. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you at the next one.